8 surprising benefits of saffron, the golden spice of life. Fun fact, known as red gold, saffron is the world's most expensive spice. Each saffron thread is carefully hand-harvested from the Crocus sativas flower, making it a labor of love. This vibrant spice is famed for its use in luxurious dishes like risottos and paellas, but it's much more than just a culinary delight. Saffron boasts a treasure trove of health and wellness benefits. Let's dive into 8 surprising benefits of saffron that make it worth its weight in gold. Number 1. Boosts mood and combats depression. Saffron has been called the sunshine spice for good reason. It can brighten your mood. Studies show that saffron contains compounds like saffronol and crocin, which enhance serotonin levels in the brain. Regular consumption may help reduce symptoms of mild to moderate depression and anxiety, making it a natural alternative to antidepressants. Number 2. Improves memory and cognitive function. Rich in antioxidants, saffron is a boon for brain health. It's particularly effective in improving memory and learning ability. Research suggests that saffron may even help in managing neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's, as its active compounds protect brain cells from oxidative stress. Number 3. Supports eye health. Saffron is a natural ally for your vision. Its high levels of crocin and crocin have been linked to improved retinal health and better vision. Studies indicate that saffron may slow the progression of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, helping you maintain sharper eyesight as you age. Number 4. Promotes heart health. The antioxidants in saffron support cardiovascular health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Additionally, saffron has been shown to help lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels. Together, these effects reduce the risk of heart disease, ensuring your heart beats stronger for longer. Number 5. Relieves PMS symptoms. Saffron is a blessing for women dealing with premenstrual syndrome, PMS. Its mood-enhancing and pain-relieving properties can help alleviate irritability, cramps, and other PMS-related discomforts. Saffron tea or supplements may be a natural remedy for those tough monthly cycles. Number 6. Aids in weight loss. Are you struggling with food cravings? Saffron might be the answer. It has been found to curb appetite and reduce snacking, making it a valuable ally in weight management. Its serotonin-boosting properties also help combat emotional eating, setting you up for a healthier relationship with food. Number 7. Improves skin health. Saffron's antioxidant properties extend to skin care. It helps fight free radicals that cause premature aging, promoting a radiant complexion. Saffron also has antibacterial properties, which can help treat acne and other skin blemishes. A saffron-infused face mask is a luxurious way to pamper your skin. Number 8. Enhances sexual health. Saffron has been traditionally used as an aphrodisiac. Modern research backs this up, showing that it can improve libido and sexual function in both men and women. Its ability to reduce stress and boost overall vitality plays a key role in enhancing intimacy. Bonus benefit: a culinary marvel. Saffron elevates the flavor and aroma of dishes like biryanis, desserts, and teas. Just a pinch can transform a simple recipe into a gourmet masterpiece. Beyond its taste, saffron is packed with nutrients like manganese and vitamin C, adding a nutritional boost to your meals. Thanks for discovering the golden benefits of saffron with us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who loves exploring natural remedies. Do you know any other surprising uses for saffron? Share them in the comments below. We'd love to learn from you. And for even more herbal wisdom, check out this video on 9 benefits of sage you should know. Until next time, life is better when you garden.